To set your Galaxy Buds Live to read your schedule summary aloud on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable Read Aloud Summary for the schedule in the Galaxy Buds Live setting. To do so, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen. Find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, and then type the app name. Tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon, and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap Earbud Setting. Tap Read Notification Aloud. Next, tap Schedule. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch next to Read Notification Aloud until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select Read Aloud Summary. With this setting, your Galaxy Buds Live will read the summary of the schedule you have on Samsung Calendar app aloud to remind you about the event. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.